Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest, and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. Hope you are doing very well. Hope you guys are doing very fine. Okay, in today's video, we'll be talking about isola di traffico. Now, I've done that of the discontinuous line in the previous video, so I recommend you going back to watch that particular one, and of course, know the difference between that one and this particular one. Okay, this one is made up of a continuous line. Okay, which cannot be crossed, unlike the one that has dotted lines, which is called Striscia Discontinua. That one is of the previous video, the one before this video. So please go back and watch that video so you can know the difference. It is very important. That is if you're just seeing us for the very first time, or if you skip that particular video. All right, so for our newcomers, you're very welcome. Thank you for coming, and I hope that you get what you're looking for through this channel by God's grace. Okay, please do to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so that as soon as I post a video, you'll be the first to know. It is very important. Thank you for doing so. And of course, I wouldn't mind sharing it to your friends, your family, your loved ones, even your enemies. Share me. Make them come collect patent. It is very important. Really. So let us jump straight into why we are here. Isola di traffico. And guys, we see the on segnaletica orizzontali e segni sulla ostacoli. Okay, but this time we're there for the next teaching. We're under this particular chapter, which is isola di traffico. Okay, it is a very short lesson, but I want to do wherever you go, if you understand them. I don't want to join much like I do usually before. I join 2-3 videos together to do 2-3 topics, So I think some people are finding it confusing. So I'm going to take it slowly. The least I can do is 1, and the most 2 in 1. But this time we're dealing on just this particular one. It's not a traffico. Ok. Isola di traffico è una zona delimitata da strisce bianche oblique. Indica un tratto di strada vietato al transito ed alla sosta dei veicoli. Now, this na isola di traffico. You say, what it be? Now, area wey be say it is bordered by an oblique white stripes, and it indicates a stretch of road wey be say it is forbidden for you to transit on it or to park your vehicles. It is forbidden. Now, in this case, like I said in the previous video, it was discontinua. This time it is continuous line. And of course, it is called isola di traffico because it has continuous line, and they allow you transit, unlike the first one, which allows you to transit on it. Okay, now, i veicoli A deve andare dritto. This veicoli A must keep going straight. Veicoli A cannot do any turning sort of. It must keep going straight. The yellow vehicle is veicoli A. I veicoli B deve svuotare a destra. Veicoli B, which is the red one, must turn to the right. Veicoli B must turn to the right. Veicoli B no fit climb up. Okay, it has a continuous line. I veicoli C deve svuotare a destra. Veicoli C must turn to the right. B must turn to the right this way, vehicle C must turn to the right this way, and vehicle A must keep going straight. Okay, this is isola di traffico. Get it in your mind. You cannot park here. You cannot transit on it. You know if you just climb up, say you drive on top of it. You know if you do niente. You know if you stop for here, at the same time, you know if you park for here. Okay, it's just to make sure, say, when they go the right direction, channel owner for in case of traffic, it helps to control, should I say, the traffic. Not be until every traffic day. Okay, for example, say you dey drive for this kind of road. Now, what comes to your mind when you see Striscia Continua? I can't climb this place. So it helps you to know your direction. Channel owner go where I'm supposed to go correctly. Okay, so vehicle C, or seeing this is that traffic, what comes to your mind? Oh, I cannot transit on this thing. So it helps you to turn correctly faster. So that is the difference between this particular one and the previous video. So that's why I recommend going back to see that one, because that one will be actually continuous line like this one. That one has a discontinuous line. I'm telling you, you can climb it. So if you never see that video, I repeat again, that video there for the previous one, what I do before this one. Now, For those of you where they find it difficult to hold phone, if phone now na reason why I never get patente, there's a link below this under the description box or in the description box. Okay, use the link. You can get a book for yourself. Say no to whatever mindset you have of not doing this patente. If it is because of the phone, the light from the phone, okay, you don't have a laptop, you can as well use the book. Book will still tell you exactly what it is for phone. Okay, so I recommend, all right, that you use the book. Then the quizzes, I believe you go feel use your phone to do once in a while. Not be waiting, you go need to cool down the read. Okay, that is why the book is there for you. Okay, just know the basics, then you start using your phone small, small. You can use the voice note from your phone too as well. I'm sorry. You can use the voice note from your phone too to learn, all right, while you study with the book. Please, there's no reason to say no to this. You really need them. Trust me, you need them. Okay, guys, I will end this video here. I'll be coming up with another video based on this particular signatica horizontale. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.